welcome to John's Model Making. Thank you for tuning in. Today I've got the U96 U boat, Pack 12. We start off with kit 45 and we finish with kit 48. We will need, there we go, the periscope. I'm going to pop a motor into this. And here we have the submarine as it is up to now. There we go. These two last compartments, I think we put them together today. So that'll look brilliant as well. Looking fantastic. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, without further ado, let's have a look at kit 45. Okay, here we have kit 45. This is just a motor. For this we just need to put a label on it, put a cog on it, and then we can pop it into place. Okay, those are our parts. So here we have the cable. Just need to pop this label on it, M4, and then we can put the cog on and put the motor into place. Excellent. Put the cable into there. There we go. And then this cog, you can see it's cross shaped. So that will fit on to the motor. Well, it's loose actually. Okay, it's loose that cog. No matter which way I put it on. Oh, right. Anyway, it goes into here. And we'll put that in there. Then we have the motor, and we'll keep that together with a couple of these black screws that they gave us. Okay, keep that like that. We need the motor this way with the lead at the top, and just a couple of these black screws, BP screws they call them. Excellent. Not loose now, that's captured. Brilliant stuff. There we go, we can now move on to kit 46. Okay, now we have kit 46, and I have moved the label. There we go, and putting at the wrong end of the cable. Let's get the parts out. There we go, we have two shaft covers, two motor covers, two limit switches, a cog. AP screws are the smaller of the two, the long ones are BP screws. Okay, first thing we need to do is to pop these limit switches in place. One will go here with the red cable, and the black cable will go there. Okay, first thing we need to do is to pop these limit switches into place. There is a location peg for these as well. It will go that way, like that. The location peg fits into there, and we screw into the top. So I get that fitted just there like that, and we just need a BP screw. There we go, you can see a little switch there. Yep, that's brilliant. Excellent stuff. And now all we need to do is to fit this one in this end. And again, you want the switch this way around. So the location peg is bottom left, and we screw this in top right. There we go, that's the two limit switches into place. Looking cool. Yeah, a bit wobbly at the moment that. There we go. Now we need the shaft cover, or shaft covers, I should say. We need to pop these into place. We can glue this as well as, let's see, get this the right way around. There we go. Series of pegs, and yeah, it snaps together, but it doesn't at this end, so we need to glue that. Okay, just pop a little bit of glue onto here. Right, let's get the pegs in. There's only pegs at the bottom of this. This is why it needs gluing into place. Always awkward. There we go. Don't know why there's no pegs at the top. Anyway, give that a minute. Okay, now we've got the shaft cover in place, nicely glued. We need to put the cog on. Now the cog on goes on this way, and we need to slide it down to here. There's a little got bead there. Yeah, you can see that. I need to slip it all the way down. I would imagine this is a tight fit. There we go. Slide it all the way down. There we go. You can see it clicks into place. There we go. There's a little clip on either side, that cog, and there's a recess in the shaft. So that now won't come out, because that should be in the recess. There you go. So that won't pull out now. Brilliant stuff. Now we need the command sensor. Okay, here we have the command sensor. So we need to flip this around, line the cables out of the way, and we need to pop the periscope through here, and it will situate itself along here. Make sure the cables don't get in the way. There we go, that's how it sits itself, just like that. These cables are a little annoying. There we go, brilliant. That sits just there like that. All we need to do now is screw it into place. We have 3 AP screws for this little task. And pop the first one into here. And one at this other end. Just here. Brilliant. Looking cool, that, is it not? I don't know whether I can test this periscope or not today, but we'll try. Now we can put the shaft cover into place. Put the longer end down. Here we go. Rotate it until it engages. Come on. Oh dear. You can see where it wants to be. There we go. Excellent. That is fully into place. You can see it come out at this bottom end. Excellent. That should be fully engaged by now. Brilliant stuff. Now we just need to put the motor covers into place. Okay, now let's put the first motor cover into place, just like that. Capturing that cog. Put the other side in, just like that, and we need AP screws, 2 of. Excellent, you can see where we've got another motor to put into place. There we go, so that is the periscope with the shaft cover and motor brackets covers into place. Brilliant. Let's move on to kit 47. Okay, we have kit 47. It is another motor. There we go. We do have a label for the cable, of course. Right, we'll get the label on first, and then we'll put the cog on, and then we can get everything into place. Make sure I put this label on the right end this time. We'll go on to here. There's M5 on it. There we go. And we'll pop that in to there. I think we could probably test this motor, can't we? Okay, look, I've got the tester, connected it all up. Excellent stuff. So we know that was working perfect. And now we can test the periscope. Brilliant stuff. So we know both motors are working perfectly. Let's move on and pop this into place. Okay, all that's left to do with this is to put the motor in place and put the cog on again. It will only go on one way. That is a very, very loose fit, that. So we'll fit that into there first, and then we'll put the motor into place. There we go, teeth are engaged. Excellent stuff. And now we can put the motor just there. Yeah. And now 2 BP screws. Should we fully engage? There we go, that's kit 47 completed. Excellent, and you've seen the testing of those 2 motors as well. That's brilliant. Let's move on to the last kit, kit 48. Okay, now we've got kit 48. We've got a section of the hull. There we go, there's our lower hull section and our bracket, and we have AM screws, the silver ones, and AP screws, the black ones. And then we need to pop this onto the submarine. Okay, now we've got the submarine in place. This bracket fits just there, like that. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4 AM screws. There we go, that's all 4 screws in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be a little bit awkward these at times, but there we go. Now we need the whole section. You can see there's a hole here, so this will go at this end, and we can pop that into place now. And we'll need another 4 AM screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent stuff. There we go. There is that additional piece in place. Brilliant. Now we can put the compartments together again. Okay, now we've got the 2 compartments ready to pop together. This is the radio and listening room and the central command compartment, and we can fit these 2 together, slide that through there like so. Excellent. Now that needs to go onto the submarine, so we'll pull the submarine back over, make a little room here, get them cables there. This fits just here. It did fit nicely before, might be a bit different now, it's got the other compartment attached to it. Okay, everything is in place. The 2 compartments, just got to make sure that screw hole there and one in the back are in place. There is another screw hole here, just there. That will line up for this bulkhead later on. You can see there is a bit of movement there at the moment, but yeah, this compartment, central compartment, is the problem. Trying to slide in the mechanism for the periscope, slide it under this radio listening room, and it is quite awkward. So you do need to marry these 2 up first and then slide that underneath. Periscope. Right, this is the problem here. And then this section here, you can tilt it like that. Now that one goes in on an angle. There we go. So you can get them 2 screw holes in place. One here and one here. But to get them both in together, we have to, minding all them cables, slide that there like so. Make sure the cables drape over the back of that hull. Let's see if we can get this together now. Hold it in the centre, tilt it again so you can get that forward bulkhead in place, and once you've got the forward bulkhead in place, the rest should follow, and there it is. Bit awkward, but once you get these 2 screw holes in here and here, can worry about this periscope compartment, central command, a little bit later to get it screwed in, because we're not screwed into place at the moment. Okay, let's put the first AP screw in just here. There we go. Excellent. There you know it's fully lined up. And one at the back. Here we go. I've flipped the submarine around because it was more awkward doing it the other way. Well, there we go. There's the screw. So this compartment, the periscope, will be fitted later into the build. We'll probably get some covers here. Yeah, keep them together. You can see some screw holes here. Yeah, we'll need another cover. Excellent. There we go. So that is kits 45 to 48 complete. Well, there she goes. That's 3 compartments fitted. So that's about half. Yeah, that's halfway. You can see where another one goes. There's 6 compartments altogether that we open up and have a look at. Well, she's looking brilliant. And we know the periscope works and the 2 motors work. So that's fantastic. And obviously I did take that panel off. I'll put that back on later. I'm going to have to split this stand now. Pop it down at this end. Excellent. Pretty quick that, to be honest. The fiddliest part obviously were these 2 compartments. Yeah. Let me just adjust. There we go. Obviously this one is still a little bit loose, but this one is screwed into place now. That's brilliant. And yeah, just make sure you don't trap any wires. Those limit switches, yeah, they're together. That's brilliant. Everything looks fine. Excellent stuff. I think I'll have to redress them so they keep out of the way as well. But yeah, it's looking fantastic, that. There we go. Looking brilliant. That central command compartment looks absolutely fantastic. Radio listening room looks great. Yeah. Oh, looking brilliant. Love it. Pity I've got to have it on such a long shelf. And I'm still looking at doing some weathering on this as well. I did go out and buy 4 pots of paint. Just make sure I got the right grey for this side. Yeah. Got a bit of overspray here. Never noticed it before, so I'm going to get rid of that. I think the darker colour on the hull, I think, I'm not exactly 100% sure yet because I've not matched it up, but I think it might be NATO black. What I've looked at, but anyway, we'll soon see. Excellent stuff. Anyway, there we go. So that's the U96 for this month. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next pack. Brilliant. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.